Here is 2 cups of Swiss chard. All right, 2 cups of Swiss chard. About 1 inch here of turmeric spice. 1.5 cup of pineapple. Half avocado. 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Now, I'm replacing the pumpkin seeds for the chia seeds. I ran out of chia seeds. Chia seeds are much better when it comes to inflammation, so we're going to use the pumpkin seeds instead. 1 cup of cucumbers, and always good for inflammation is some organic garlic. Okay, really great for inflammation. And finally, 3 cups of coconut water.